Immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins are synthesized by plasma cells and to some extent by lymphocytes. Immunoglobulins provides structural and chemical concept, but antibody gives a biological and functional concept. All antibodies are immunoglobulins, but all immunoglobulins may not be antibodies. The five classes of immunoglobulins have recognized, that is IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD and IgE. The heavy chains that present in immunoglobulins are IgG gamma chain, IgA alpha chain, IgM mu chain, IgD delta chain, IgE epsilon chain. So G gamma, A alpha, M mu, D delta, E epsilon. In this way we can remember the heavy chains of immunoglobulin. Now we can see percentage of total of immunoglobulins. So the most abundant immunoglobulin present in our body is IgG, that is 75%. And second most is IgA, that is 10 to 15%. Third one IgM, that is 5 to 10%. IgD less than 1%. IgE less than 0.1%. Now we can see the characteristics and functions of IgG. IgG is the major immunoglobulin present in our body and it is found in blood, lymph and intestine. It activates against bacteria, toxins, viruses. It enhances phagocytosis, crosses placenta and is active in secondary response. So IgG is the only maternal immunoglobulin that is normally transported across the placenta and provides natural passive immunity in the newborn. It is not synthesized by the fetus, but it is transported across the placenta and give natural passive immunity to the newborn. And this IgG enhances phagocytosis and it also participates in complement fixation, neutralization of toxins, viruses, etc. So this is the most abundant immunoglobulin present in our body. And this immunoglobulin that is active in secondary immune response. Not in primary immune response, it is active in secondary immune response. Next one is IgA, that is the second most abundant class. So IgA is the second most abundant immunoglobulin present in our body. And this immunoglobulin IgA that present in saliva, tears, bronchial, GI, prostatic and vaginal secretions. It provides local protection. IgA provides local protection on exposed mucous membrane surfaces and potent antiviral activity. And it prevents absorption of antigen from food and protects against respiratory, gastrointestinal and genitourinary infections. IgA mostly it is present in mucosa, so it acts as a barrier especially in gastrointestinal and genitourinary infection. And this IgA promote phagocytosis and intracellular killing of microorganisms. Next one IgM. IgM is known as millionaire molecule. IgM is known as millionaire molecule and it is a heavy molecule. The IgM is the large immunoglobulin. And Its level decreases during stress and found in blood and lymph. First antibody produced with primary immune response and high concentration early in infection and decrease in weak. So IgM that decrease during stress and it is found in IgM is mainly produced with the primary immune response, but it is short lived and it is present in blood and lymph. Other name of IgM is millionaire molecule or heavy immunoglobulin. Okay. Next one, IgD that is present less than 1%. Its function is mainly unknown, but it is found in blood and lymph, and it IgD and IgG resembles structural resemblance present with the IgG. IgD have structural resemblance with the IgG and it comes together work with other immunoglobulins mainly. IgD work with the other immunoglobulins mainly and its main function is unknown. IgE that is found on mast cell and basophils and it is involved in immediate hypersensitivity response, and IgE is chiefly produced in the lining of the respiratory and intestinal tract, and this IgE is responsible for anaphylactic type of hypersensitivity. The physiological role of IgE appears to be protection against pathogen by mast cell degranulation and release of inflammatory mediators. And it have IgE have special role in protection against helminthic infections. So IgE it is mainly act against the hypersensitivity reactions, or IgE has an important role in hypersensitivity reaction. And in generally IgG protects body fluids, IgA body surfaces, IgM bloodstream, IgE mediates hypersensitivity. So these all are the functions of Ig or immunoglobulins. IgG that is found in body fluids and it is abundant immunoglobulin, and IgA that is second most immunoglobulin present in our body and it protects the body surfaces, and IgM is millionaire molecule or the heavy molecule. It is the oldest or the earliest molecule present in our body, or it is firstly identified. And IgM already explained that is found in bloodstream. Then IgE that mediates hypersensitivity. Thank you.